Hi guys. So what is it that we said we're going to do in this course? We're going to do two things. We're going to simplify nutrition knowledge, therefore our understanding is superb, and then we never forget what we learn. The second thing is we're going to answer the why question. Why is it that certain things happen in our body or certain nutrients do certain things in our body? So last week I had you guys read the fiber chapter, okay? So you understand that we use an umbrella term, really, fiber, but then we have so many different kinds of fiber. In this video, I want to focus on soluble fiber. Soluble fiber lowers your blood glucose level and also your blood cholesterol level. Isn't it so fantastic? So how is it that it does it? I am very proud of this video because I found something so awesome to simplify this concept for you. The reason soluble fiber does so is because it makes jello-like structure in your small intestine. Therefore, it prevents the absorption of cholesterol and blood and glucose. Okay, so let's say I consume some sugar and some food that has loads of cholesterol. Then I have consumed soluble fiber. So what are soluble fiber? Pectins and gums specifically we're focusing on. When I consume that, they make a jello-like structure in my cell of intestine, therefore they inhibit the absorption. Have you ever had jello? So this is a jello candy, okay? That's why I'm very proud of this video. When you put something on top of jello, it really can't go through. It won't go through. Just give it a go at home. It won't go through. Now, let's focus on what are pectins and gums. Pectins are what? I know you're saying it. There are things like apricots, berries, okay? And just strawberries, all right, bananas. And then gums are anything sticky like porridge, as you guys call it, oatmeal, okay? Legumes, these are all barley, these are all gums. So now we are completing our investigation. This is my cell, okay? This is the cell of my small intestine, and I have consumed vegetables. Vegetables are soluble fiber. See, this is jello. So I put it in my small intestine, it makes this gel, therefore my blood glucose level is coming down and also my cholesterol. In fact, it is the most effective treatment to bring down your cholesterol level more than anything. I have chosen this color for, I mean, you can think of berries, but also you can think of anything, legumes or porridge or anything. And then this is for citrus fruits. Yes, citrus fruits also are soluble fiber. And then strawberries, because people often don't even think of strawberries as soluble fiber. Bananas, how many times have you heard that they say bananas are not good for people with diabetes? I mean, that is absolute rubbish because they are soluble fiber. It's awesome. Apples also are soluble fiber. So see, I have made my entire yeah, look at that. So my cell has loads of soluble fiber in it, therefore my blood glucose level and my cholesterol level comes down.